Hey guys, it's Ryan over at Commuter Cars and Trucks, South Florida's #1 used car superstore. We've got this showstopper 2014 Chevy Traverse LTZ, the Miggity Mac Daddy in that diamond right pearl tri-coat with the chrome running boards, tinted windows, alloy wheels. This one's the LTZ, has it all, does it all, goes anywhere. It's got the power rear lift gate. And I tell you what, if you're looking for a nice third row SUV on a budget, fully loaded leather interior with a huge power, dual power moonroof, navigation, quad captain's chairs, this one has it all. Look at this car, guys. The interior of this thing's immaculate. The wood trim, beautiful car inside and out. I mean, just a showstopper, the headliner, the back seats, the leather, everything in this one screams nice car. So call us today at 772-675-6775. We are Commuter Cars and Trucks, and we are the best because we beat the rest because we have the best. Don't miss this one, guys. Call us today.